So you see that we have reached, from your frequency reading here, we have reached the million, and so we know that we can stop. So we'll hit the, I call it a stop sign, and you know that you're no longer taking measurements. Now at this point, what you want to do is go ahead and set your temperature reading. We increase it in 5-degree increments. So we will go from 33. What we could do is, since in theory we would have started at 30, we can just take it up to 35 for this next temperature reading. So we'll take it up to 35, we'll hit set, then we'll hit run. And we know that it is starting to, now we know that it's starting to increase the temperature in our chamber. So the key here is always you want to see that green light for the heat. You know that when you press the button that it's actually working. Now what we want to do is you want to go ahead and hit the run button. It's just the arrow under the edit. Let's go ahead and just be proactive while you're waiting on your temperature to increase. And you can do this at the very, very beginning. Go ahead and create your new folder. So I'm just going to put Davis Test. So I've created my new folder, and then in addition to creating my new folder, let me grab this name. We're just going to use that same name. But what's important to do is, because these measurements are temperature based, go ahead and put the temperature in the name. So for instance, this particular sample was my 0.7513 PVDF, 0.0456 calcium titanate. Now, I like to be specific, so I actually type all of that in the sample name, okay? So we've got 0.7513 PVDF, and then I would go 0.0456 calcium titanate, and then I would underscore it. Our temperature is set at 35, so I would put 35, and then I will hit OK. And we know that once we come back, once the temperature has increased to 35, and I hit take data, it's going to write to that file, which is what we want. So again, as your temperature, once you set it, you're waiting on the temperature to increase in your chamber. While you're waiting on that, go ahead and hit your run button. It's going to then step you through the steps to create the actual file name. Go ahead and do that, and make sure you add that temperature at the end, so that as you're looking at your files, everything is very, very clear to you.